Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Top 1 Futures Prop Firm. This is another educational part of the series that I made. Today we're going to take here on the strategy that allows you to make at least $10,000 a month, and this is going to be about the numbers. This is going to be straightforward exactly on how much you have to do and how you can organize yourselves. At the same time, they do have amazing Trustpilot reviews out there, and for those of you that are not familiar with the platform, make sure to check out. There is a review video on my channel completely explaining, along with other educational materials too. So we're going to talk about their instant funding and specifically of the 150K account, which is the most purchased by far, and it's pretty much clear why. At the same time, there is 50% discount by using the code SCRUMBO at the checkout. Feel free to use that if you think it's beneficial, and we can get into the topic straight away. So what we're going to talk about today is a clear strategy, guys, with numbers. This is exactly what people need, a very, very clear direction. This is not a video on how to trade. How to trade is a complex process, which is part of a different subject, but at the same time, in order to be able to achieve certain targets, we need this specific side as well. So I'd like to share with you what Top 1 Futures is offering you as possibility today for you to be able to put out these numbers. At least $10,000 per month is not only decent, but it's beyond that for a lot of the people. The price is $399, and that is the current price. Of course, this could change at the time depending where do you and when do you watch this video. The payout target basically on the account is at 2%, which means that you have to achieve 2% to be able to request a payout, and from that point you're already able to request a payout. The max loss is $6,000 and the max daily loss is $3,750. The max loss is closing your account at the time you touch that. The max daily loss is not closing your account, it's a soft breach, which means the account is continuing next day. Within the same day you touch it, it is not going to continue, it's going to be paused, right? That's the way it works. Now, strategy number 1 is what we care about, and I call this one accelerated. And you'll see why. We're targeting $158,000. Why is it 158 and not less? Well, simply, I want to go for the max payout, but at the same time, I'd like to have some room, some cushion left, some resources left after the payout, not to lose the account, which obviously makes sense. So 158 is obviously higher than the minimum payout target, but at the same time, this is allowing us to go for the max payout, which you will see it is actually $5,000. You can grab right now in an account that has a max payout of $5,000 at a price of $400. The strategy has 6 trading days, each consisting $1,333 per day. So if you make $1,333 per day for 6 days in a row, as an example, you get to your $158,000. By doing this for 6 days in a row, you will be able as well to have your 20% consistency rule respected. So with this number, you're respecting the 20% consistency, you're fine with that. You get to 158, you will be able to request your $5,000, so you remain with a balance of $153,000. The max loss at that point, once you start your new cycle of trading, is going to be on the original balance plus $100. That is always the max loss after the first payout requested in the following formula. Original balance plus $100. That's the buffer, $100 right there. So no matter from where do you request your payout, from what levels and how, this is basically the max loss, which is going to be locked, right? So that is never ever going to increase. It's never ever going to move from there. The cost basically of a single account is, like we said, $400, and the payout is $5,000 in this relation. And you can simultaneously have 3 accounts at the same time that you can trade. You can do copy trading. Right now there is projectx trading platform. There is going to be Tradeaway coming out soon as well, and all these things are going to be giving you some variety out there on the trading platforms. Copy trading across the 3, copy trading between 2. You can definitely do that even today. So The most important parts, of course, is the confirmation rates on the right side, which kind of tells me that I'd like to see the realistic side of the business and of the numbers too. It's not just about you pay $400 and you cash out 5,000. People lose accounts. People get to max losses, people lose accounts. This is the reality. So I like to share with you an approach that is as close as possible to the reality in terms of the numbers. We're not going to work with any ideal kind of things at all. With a 50% confirmation rate, which means 5 out of 10 accounts reaching the payout. This is an example, of course. Might not be your case, and so on, but that's going to cost you $4,000, guys. So 10 accounts will cost you $4,000, and the earnings from 5 accounts, following the numbers that I presented you after 6 days of trading, is going to be $25,000. So the profit in between that is actually going to be $21,000 pure profit after 6 days of trading, which is great, because 6 days of trading will actually allow you to have another round of 6 days of trading, especially if you go for the add-on of the payout request anytime, right? There is the default 14 days payout request, which means you buy the account, and from the moment you buy the account, you have 14 days till you can request the payout. Or you have the add-on with the anytime, and that allows you to buy the account anytime. For example, let me share with you. So the add-on right here is instant SIM funded, 150K. Right now, just projectx, continue. By the way, I have a tutorial about projectx too. We enter the coupon code SCRAMBLE on the top right corner here, and then we apply. So we get the maximum discount available at every time, and then we've got available add-ons. Anytime, get paid instantly after hitting your consistency target. You don't need to wait 14 days for that, which is going to be an additional 15%. Which means that the price is going to be $520 for that, right? So if you go with the anytime, and this way you can actually have 2 payouts, or sometimes even 3 payouts if you go really well in the numbers in a month. But let's say that you could actually go for 2 payouts. Even with 14 days, you're supposed to go with 2 payouts, because these are 14 calendar days, not business days. And that is supposed to give you 28 days possibility right there. 2 payouts, that actually qualifies for twice a month. So that's also good too. But if you go for the anytime, obviously you have an advantage there. You finish your 6th day, on the 7th you can request. Great. Now, this is basically the $21,000 profit approach if you have a confirmation rate of 50%, which is something most of the people do not have, 50% confirmation rate. 30%, which could sound a little more familiar and could be interesting with that, wins 3 out of 10 reaching payout. It's going to cost you the same $4,000 because you're still buying 10 accounts. Obviously, you buy 3 and then you continue to trade with those, and then you continue to buy until your numbers are in your favor. So earnings is 15 grand from 3, and the profit is $11,000. So in other words, even with 30% confirmation rate, you have $11,000 profit at every 10 accounts purchased if you got a 30% confirmation rate. And that's amazing, guys. Let alone you can qualify for the second payout on the same account, which is pretty much adding additional money. The fact that you have to produce the same 2% of the account size again in your new cycle, which means minimum $3,000. I mean, think about it, guys. You're bringing it to 158. You take out 5,000. You get to 153. You have to make minimum 3,000 to be able to request. You're going to bring it to 156. You can take out 3,000, you can take out 5,000 as well, but then you're not going to have a remaining balance that might get satisfying, right? Of course, if you're too close to the max loss, you're going to lose the account in that form. So that's obviously not the smartest and the best approach to game the system like that. So with 30%, back to our topic, is a great reward of $11,000 if you are succeeding to bring to the first payout 3 out of 10 following the strategy number 1 with 1,333 per day. You have a daily max loss that is basically what is going to cut you at 3,750. That is almost three times away from you, which is kind of great. And simply the 10% is very interesting. So only one account out of 10 reaching payout is going to cost you basically $4,000, the same price, of course, but it's going to bring you $5,000. So you have a profit, even in that case scenario, of $1,000 if you bring only one account to the payout, which is very comfortable from my perspective, if I am thinking so. Now, even this way, I mean, 1,000, you have the account ready, you can push basically for another 3,000, you can cash out another $5,000 basically in the second cycle, because every time you only have to do $3,000 between each payout request for you to be able to open the door and request, right? So even with that 10%, I mean, think about 20%. Maybe people will be between 10 to 20, most of the people. So between 10 to 20, at 20, it is already a cash out of 10,000 minus the costs of 4,000. You are having $6,000 profit. $6,000 profit after a year, even if it's only once a month or if it's twice a month. I mean, this is exactly very interesting. It's twice a month, 6,000. That is 12,000 with a confirmation rate of 20%, guys. 12,000 in a month, which is more than 100K in a year. And even with a single account, is basically just, $12,000 a year. But for some people, of course, is something at the end of the day, especially if you're having the ability to have, even if we talk about $6,000 a month on a 20% confirmation. I mean, 6 months of good business like that is going to bring you around 30 to 40 grand. And with 30 to 40 grand, you could also consider starting your personal account and trade a little bit different there along the way with this prop firm accounts too. So the firm right now, the way it is set up today, it gives us very, very strong possibilities in terms of the numbers and a very good edge right there. This is why I am considering presenting you some strategies that can open your eyes and allow you to see some numbers that are in your favor at the moment at a very, very low confirmation rate, starting with 10%. If you're under 10%, of course, it's not possible. So basically, whatever you spend above 4 grand for a payout, that's the business about. How much do you spend for a payout? And you all have your number. Like it's impossible to be at, zero earnings and payouts and just simply purchases continuously. At some point, your trading is going to be continuously adjusted and will have the level of targeting profits. Even if you're down, think about it. Even if you're down with $8,000, you're just 2 payouts away to be in profit. Even if you're down with $12,000, for example, and there's a lot of accounts for $12,000 at the $400 price, that is 30 accounts. That's a lot. So even if you're down to that level and have 2 payouts, you already recovered the major part of it. You're just $2,000 away to be break even. So this is the numbers game. And this is what I'm considering for a lot of you to clearly see the numbers are right now in your favor. That's pretty much about. That's kind of everything that I wanted to share with you. Hope the video helped you. Make sure to join my Discord channel as well. And make sure to join our daily trading live stream. We're trading every day live stream on YouTube, on my YouTube channel here from 8 a.m. EST time, right? So that's like an hour and a half before the New York opens. You can definitely join our live stream and see how do we trade and how do we move around. Thank you guys once again for watching. Feel free to utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE at the checkout, gives you the maximum discount available, including the link is right there in the description or comments area, and many other tutorials located on my channel, educational materials as well, and everything that matters. Let me know if you have any other question. Keep in mind that 20% consistency needs to be respected, and that's not a big deal. And that's where we are, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Like the video if you enjoyed this one. Subscribe to the channel too. We'll talk to you soon.